Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get 36 on ACT reading. First, familiarize yourself with the 4 passage types: prose fiction, social science, humanities, and natural science. This understanding helps you anticipate content and question styles. Next, practice time management, aiming for about 8 minutes per passage, including reading and answering 10 questions. Finally, develop a strategy to quickly identify the main idea and author's purpose in each paragraph. This foundational approach is crucial for efficiency and accuracy. Active reading is essential for a top score. As you read, highlight key information like main ideas, supporting details, and transitions. Jot down concise notes to boost your comprehension and memory retention. Before looking at the answer choices, try to predict the correct answer yourself. This helps you avoid common distractors. Remember, the ACT reading section is an open book test, so always refer back to the passage to verify your answers, ensuring accuracy. Consistent practice is key to success. Take full-length practice sections regularly to build your stamina and develop an internal clock for pacing. Analyze your results to pinpoint specific weaknesses, whether it's time management or particular question types like detail or inference questions. When answering, focus on eliminating the 3 incorrect choices rather than immediately searching for the right one. This strategy helps you identify subtle errors and increases your chances of selecting the correct answer. On test day, if you encounter a difficult question, don't get stuck. Circle it and move on, returning only if you have extra time. For paired passages, a smart approach is to read and answer questions for passage A, then passage B, before attempting the comparison questions. This helps keep the information fresh. Remember to manage your energy during the test by using breaks to stretch and refocus. Also, for those looking to enhance their reading experience, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.